Ground beef. Let's open it up. Pick it up, place it on the cutting board. Italian herbs spice. Multi-spice, mix spices. Mix everything. Make a nice hamburger patty out of it, like this. A little olive oil on the pan, make it hot. Cut the cheese. Now, patty on the pan. Let's fry it. While it's frying, cut tomato. Flip the patty. Yes, sir. Add cheese on top. Add one egg. Add another egg. Now let's cover everything with lid and turn off the heat. Cut the bun. Put mustard on the bun. Put mayo on the bun. Add tomato. Wow, steamy delicious. Serve first egg. Now serve the cheeseburger. And now serve another egg on top. Put some ketchup on top. Cover with bun. Beautiful, delicious from all sides. Let's cut it and see what's inside. Perfect. Try it, delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.